trying to circumnavigate the Kaaba at the Grand Mosque amid high winds, some having to dodge barriers that had been blown away. A widely shared video captures lightning striking the famous clock tower overlooking the Kaaba.
شوف السيارة هذا كيف يتحرك يا الله يا الله الله يستر الله يستر.
Other videos show heavy flooding caused by rain in Jeddah, south of Makkah. Activists on social media have released videos showing heavy rains in Makkah al-Mukarramah on the evening of Monday, August 21st, 2023, and they disrupted road traffic and the National Meteorological Center.
شوف السيارات.
Experts say weather radar images show heavy rain accompanied by dangerous hail. Fast-flowing water on the peak of the Makkah